Hey guys, in this super easy tutorial, you're going to learn how to remove anything from a photo in Photoshop, all using just a really powerful tool, Content Aware. Alright, let's get started. So the only thing you'll need to do is use your lasso tool and outline the object you want to remove. Just make sure your outline is not touching the object you want to remove. Go to Edit, Fill, and make sure the content is set to Content Aware and click OK. And that's it. Let me show you again. Use the lasso tool to outline your object. And click Edit, Fill, Content Aware, and click OK. And that's it. Let me show you one more time. In this example, I'm going to show you how to remove everyone except for one person. Don't worry if something doesn't disappear seamlessly. You can simply do this step again, or I will show you how to remove things manually in a second. When objects we want to remove are too close to the hero subject, we may need to use the Clone Stamp tool. Select the Clone Stamp tool and hold the Option or Alt key on a good piece of the space, in this case the grass, and it will clone the grass to cover up what we want to remove. As I paint over, you'll see the plus sign, which is indicating where the clone is coming from. And I'll also use that same Clone Stamp tool in other areas as well. Okay, that's it. And now you've learned how to perfectly remove objects from your photos in Photoshop. I post new fast and easy design tutorials every Wednesday. If you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified about my latest videos.